ever feel like you are losing a part of yourself when you speak a new language?
Many English learners tell us, I love English, but I am forgetting my first language. I don't speak with my family as much as I used to.
If you feel sad about losing your home language, or if you want to know how to balance two cultures, then this podcast is for you. Let's talk about our grandparents' tongue. Hi everyone, I'm Mark.
And I'm Sarah. Welcome back. Today we are talking about heritage languages.
Sarah, heritage language is a big word. What does that mean in simple English?
Good question. A heritage language is the language your family speaks at home. It is your mother tongue or your grandparents' tongue.
Ah, I see. For example, my grandfather moved to the US from Italy. He spoke Italian, but I only speak English.
Exactly. Many people stop speaking their family language to learn English. They think they must choose one.
I remember visiting my grandfather. He would say, "Vieni a mangiare."
What does that mean?
It means come eat. I understood him, but I answered in English. I felt a little bit ashamed.
Wait, Mark, ashamed? Can you explain that word?
Yes, when you feel ashamed, you feel bad about yourself. You feel like you made a mistake. I felt bad because I couldn't speak his language.
That is very common, Mark. Many learners feel guilty. They feel like they are forgetting their past.
Yes, guilty. That's another good word. It means feeling like you did something wrong.
But here is a tip for our listeners. You don't have to choose. You can keep your heritage language and learn English.
How? Give us an example, Sarah.
Well, I have a friend named Maria. She speaks Spanish at home and English at work. She calls it code switching.
Code switching. That sounds like a secret spy move.
No, it's simple. It means changing your language depending on who you are talking to.
Let me try a sentence. I use code switching when I talk to my mom in Spanish and my boss in English. Is that right?
Perfect. Let's say that again slowly for our listeners.
I use code switching when I talk to my mom in Spanish and my boss in English.
Using both languages makes your brain stronger. It's like a workout for your mind.
So it's okay if I mix them? If I say, "Grandpa, the pasta is buonissimo."
Yes, that is beautiful. It shows you respect your history.
So if a listener is worried about losing their first language, what should they do?
First, don't be afraid. Learning English is a tool, not a replacement.
I like that. Learning English is a tool. It helps you talk to the world.
Second, talk to your grandparents. Ask them for one word every day. Just one.
One word a day. That is easy.
And third, tell your stories in English. Tell us about your culture using your new English skills.
That is a great way to practice. You use your new tongue to talk about your old tongue.
Mark, you mentioned your grandfather said, Vieni a mangiare. Food is a big part of language, right?
Oh, yes. For many learners, the kitchen is the only place they hear their heritage language.
Exactly. I have a student from Korea. She told me, I forget my Korean when I'm at the office, but when I smell my mother's soup, the words come back.
That is so interesting. The smell of food wakes up the language in her brain.
Yes! Let's practice a useful sentence for our listeners. Repeat after me. Food helps me remember my family stories.
Food helps me remember my family stories.
Again, even slower. Food helps me remember my family stories.
It's true. When we eat together, we talk. We don't worry about grammar. We just share.
Mark, I heard a learner say this yesterday. I am forgetting my language. Is that correct?
Not quite. We should say, "I'm forgetting my language," or "I forgot my language."
Right. I am forgetting means it is happening now.
Don't worry if you make that mistake. It's okay. Sarah, what if someone feels it is too late to learn their grandparents' tongue?
It is never too late. That is a great phrase for our listeners. It is never too late.
I like that. It means you can start today. You can start at age 20, 50, or 80.
Exactly. Even learning 5 words is a big win.
Sarah, why does this help someone learning English? Why are we talking about other languages on an English podcast?
Because being bilingual, speaking 2 languages, is a superpower.
A superpower like Superman?
A little bit. When you value your first language, you feel more confident.
Ah, confident. That means you feel sure of yourself. You are not afraid.
Yes, if you are proud of your heritage language, you will be more relaxed when you speak English.
So loving your past helps your future.
Perfectly said, Mark. Loving your past helps your future. Today we learned some important words. Heritage language, the language of your family. Ashamed or guilty, feeling bad about a mistake. Code switching, changing between 2 languages.
Remember, your language is your history. It's okay to speak English and still love your grandparents' tongue.
Thank you for listening today. We want to hear from you. What was your grandparents' tongue? Do you still speak it?
Before we go, let's give our listeners a small homework task.
Okay. Listeners, here is your task. Find one object in your house. Learn the name of that object in English and in your grandparents' tongue.
For example, apple in English and mela in Italian.
Write both words on a piece of paper, look at them, and smile. You are a bridge between 2 worlds.
You are doing a great job. English is hard, but you are getting better every day. Please leave a comment or send us a message. Your story is important.
Listen to this episode again to practice the new words.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye.